morning. Oh, pray tayo.
Let's pray for everyone. Lord, thank you for this day that you have given us. Lord, thank you po dahil nagising po kami lahat para po ito po mag-good. Lord, give us knowledge, wisdom, and strength as we go on through this day. Sabi ko magdalawa po namin lahat ng sequences scheduled for today. And magbigay namin yung best namin sa lahat. This is yung praying.
Good morning, guys. Okay, tara.
Here.
Pasalo akong isa kayo.
Waki-waki.
Magsisibig ka ba? So yung susumbong ko na meron akong pruweba na si Freya talaga yung nagsabi ng malandi kayo. Susumbong ko na kay Alice. Kaso hindi ako papaniwala ni Alice. At gusto ko